Hi, this is Beth. Welcome to the first week of Writing 122. First thing to pay attention to is that Sunday is the last day to get a full refund from this class or any LCC course. So pay attention to the syllabus, pay attention to when things are due, and see if this course is the one for you. Hope it is. We will start reading the book this week, The Circle. I just assigned 27 pages for you to read. Please read more if you can. I just don't know how busy your week is going to be, so I just gave that many to read. We will be talking about it in the coming weeks, so you might want to look at that. Now, I'm looking very carefully to see the activities. We've got forum postings, class introductions on Wednesday and Friday. As I said in the introductory material, assignments are always due on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. I will not have assignments due any other day of the week. Forum postings due on Wednesday and Friday, and then a short personal narrative due on Sunday. I have also put in here a diagnostic grammar quiz. You don't have to take it. It's not going to be graded, but just to give you kind of an idea of self-evaluation, how your grammar stands. Is there anything you need to work on this term? This is the last writing class for most of you, and I want to make sure that we cover everything we possibly can. My job is to prepare you for papers you might have to write in other classes and any kind of writing assignments you will have on your job. So, any questions? Let me know, and welcome to the class.